So here's the unexpurgated fitting of the RadioMaster AG01 Mini gimbals to my Zorro. It's a long and boring video, but it does show how to swap the gimbals in full detail if you need to know. Stripping the Zorro is a voyage of discovery, and it's full of my mistakes. And it'll take you at least 30 minutes to an hour, and unlike a full-size radio, it's a bit fiddly, so take your time and take lots of photographs and notes. Hello and welcome to the World channel. This is YouTube, you know what to do. Subscribe and hit the bell for more videos like this. So I haven't taken the Zorro apart before, so it's going to be a bit of a voyage of discovery. The battery's out. It's all good. I think that's probably okay. And it looks like we've got a couple of screws here, one here, maybe those. Those are crosshead. And we need to get these out, I think. All these screws look like they are the same size. One thing to keep an eye out for. Long screw. Let's get that one out. Same size. Oh, I can feel that's coming apart now. Okay, so is that coming? Feels okay. Of course, it's packed out in here. What have we got? Oh, battery connectors. So just pull that one off. That doesn't seem to want to move. There we go. Where's the other one? Oh, it's that. Ooh, this looks like it's going to be a bit of a challenge. These are all the same size screws. Fortunately, it looks like the PCB is going to have to come out to get the gimbals out. So let's have a look. Those need to come out as well. Same size.
Same size. Is that showing any size? Yeah, that's starting to move now. Now, how much? Oh, that's coming out straight away. So that is a little cover at the top with the SD card. What's come loose there? Okay. So I think first things first, let's get a photograph of this. There we go. Gimbal, 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 gimbal. Okay. Oh, I think it's the... Oh, I see what's happened. Yeah, watch out. That little button's fallen down inside. And the other one. It's always a bit unnerving when you hear a plop as something falls into the case when you're pulling it apart. So I think we'll take that one out and that one. So why is this 3? So the gimbal's there and there. And the gimbal is there and there. Okay. Let's take these switch connections off first. I need something a bit stronger than that. Okay, that goes there. It's always a good idea to take a photograph when you're taking things apart like this, so you've got something to refer to. That looks like it's... Is it all going to come out? Crikey, there's quite a line here. There's another switch on that side. Try not to pull on the cables, pull on the connectors. You never know what you might break otherwise. What's stopping that moving? There's lots of mechanical bits falling down inside, which is slightly worrying. Okay. stopping that coming out. So that is going to go that way round. Okay. This is really nice. These are all the same size screws. This is great. That just lifts out, so that is right hand one, and that is the right hand one. Then go back in there. Hopefully it's just going to drop straight in, and it does. Now what I am going to do is fish out those bits of plastic which are the buttons that fell inside. Can't see them. Just tip them out. Where are they? Oh, there's one. Come out, you little monkey. Oh, that's slippery. And there's another one in here somewhere. Where is it? Don't put any strain on these connections. I can hear it. Ah, there it is. Goes that. Come on. Doesn't want to go in that little slot. Ooh. That looks good. Oops. Okay. Get this gimbal out. Out you come. There we go. And a new one goes in. Make sure I get it the right way around. Yep, that's good. Okay, so we just need to plug all this back together and hopefully get these the right way around. Okay, so let's get these buttons back in. Oh, annoying. Tip it that way. Okay. Okay, that's looking good. Now, got that one, got that one, 2, 333. Not sure, I'm going to have to refer to my photograph just to check which way these are round. Okay. So I'm just going to put these in to hold the PCB in place. Alright, yeah. And we've got one on each side. And we've got two here. Okay, so that's all done. That plugs in there. This plugs in here. Oh, come on. And what else have we got? Oh, this goes here. Horn. I assume horn. I assume that's speaker. Come on. On you go, you little monkey. Got it? Right, and then we have got that two-way connector that plugs straight on there. It's one of the switches. It's good, and the same here. Get it the right way around. Come on. Oh. Okay, that's good. Right, now I'm just going to refer to my photograph to make sure I get these all connected up the right way round, but they're sure to be wrong. So that one is going to there. The one that comes in from that side is going to there.
a look. Black is on the right. That's definitely the right way around. Ah, there we go. And this one goes that way with the black on the right. Perfect. Okay, so let's look on the other side. So the one that came out through that side is going to that. That comes around that. And this one comes out from that side of the pot, is going to there. Okay, I may have got those the wrong way around, but it's not going to cause any damage. And the easiest way to check is by plugging it in. That's connected, good. Make sure you get the battery connections the right way around. These are keyed connectors, but you never know. Okay.
Welcome to Edge TX. Flight mode, angle, turtle mode activated. Turtle mode activated.
That's good.
Armed. Flight mode, acro. Flight mode, angle. Return to home.
Right, let's see what we've got. That's correct. That's moving round on there correctly. That's all correct. Have I got this the right way around first time? Let's have a look. Page across, let's have a look.
Armed. Flight mode, horizon. Flight mode, acro. Flight mode, angle. Turtle mode activated.
That all looks pretty good. Right, let's turn that off and get this all screwed back together. Something's stopping that. And like with everything when you're taking it apart, if something's not going back together or something's not coming apart easily, don't force it.
So why is that not going? Something's stopping that. So I made the classic mistake. These two screws here, I knew something wasn't going down quite right or fixing together. These two screws here don't belong there. Well, they do, but they have to go through the case. That's better. I knew there was something not quite right. And just a quick check that everything is back where it should be, and there's nothing pinched in the side here. It should just clip on. There's nothing in the way. That's looking beautiful. And now we can start screwing our screws back in. Quick tip, never screw the screws up completely tight. Just make sure they're all in, and you can tighten them up when everything's in place, because you may find a screw won't go in because it's just slightly cockeyed. Almost just finger tight to get them going. Like I said, make sure you haven't got any cables pinched in the sort of like the seam down the side there. I need a longer screwdriver for that. You won't get this small one down there. It's good. And hopefully I'm not going to be short any screws or have any extras. Oh, that's it. Exactly the right number. One quick last check round that there's no bits of cable being pinched out the side there. Everything looks like it's in place. You will need a longer screwdriver for these ones at the side here because they're quite deep. Don't go mad tightening these up, just nip them up. And where's the last one? Down there. So that is all looking good. Everything's back in place. Oh, they look fantastic. Now, if I don't make these long, detailed strip down videos, I get complaints because there's not enough detail. So I've put a sped up version in my main review that you'll find up here. As always, thanks for watching, and if you found that helpful, why not subscribe or maybe buy me a coffee to support the channel. And I'll see you next time.